Hello everyone. Today let's learn transitive and intransitive verbs. First of all, let us understand what is transitive verb. A transitive verb is used with a direct object. It transmits action or passes action to an object. It may also have an indirect object. In simple words, we can say a transitive verb is a verb where the action passes on to the object. Let's understand the definition with the help of examples. Loy sent the letter. In this sentence, sent is verb and letter is object. For your convenience, all the verbs are marked with red color and objects are marked with blue color. In first sentence, Loy is passing the action of sending to the letter. In simple language, we can also say that the action of sending is done on the letter. Loy sent what? The letter. Letter is the answer of what? Hence, letter is object of the verb sent. Miss Janet gave the lecture. Miss Janet is passing the action of giving to the lecture. Miss Janet gave what? The lecture. Hence, gave is verb and lecture is object. Rohan blew the whistle. Rohan is doing the action of blowing on the whistle. Blow is verb, whistle is object. All these verbs are transitive verbs because they have got their objects. Now let's know more about transitive verb. A transitive verb can also have an indirect object which comes before the direct object. Rekha gave me this pen. In this sentence, gave is verb, pen is object and me is indirect object. Rekha is passing the action of giving on the pen. Rekha gave what? The pen. And for whom she gave the pen? For me. So me is indirect object and pen is direct object. Here we must remember that action is done on direct object and action is done for indirect object. Now let's see more examples of transitive verbs. Monica wrote the article. Here wrote is verb and article is object. In all these sentences, the verbs are marked with red color and objects with blue color. Monica is doing the action of writing on the article. Monica wrote what? The article. The teacher gave her class a good lecture. Teacher is passing the action of giving to the lecture. Lecture is object, gave is verb. In this sentence, there is one more object, class. And class is indirect object. Let me remind you that action is done on object and action is done for indirect object. Teacher is doing the action on lecture and for whom the teacher is doing action? For the class. So class is indirect object. I know my principles. Know is verb, principles, object. One should read the newspaper daily. Action of reading should be done on newspaper. Newspaper is object. Read is verb. The children marked their answers. Marked is verb, answers is object. The children marked what? The answers. Drink a glass of milk every day. Drink is verb, milk is object. Here you may get confused whether glass is object or milk is object. But let me remind you, the action is done on object. You will drink what? Milk, not glass. So milk is object. Glass is not object. All these verbs are transitive verbs because they have got their objects which are marked with blue color. Now let's understand what is intransitive verb. An intransitive verb does not transmit or does not pass action to any object. It is a verb where the action does not pass. In very simple words, we can say an intransitive verb does not take an object or does not have an object. So Hale sleeps too much. Hina talks loudly. Train stopped suddenly. All these verbs which are marked with green color are intransitive verb because they do not have any object. The action of sleeping does not pass on to any object. Hina is talking, but there is no object for the verb talks. The train stopped itself. Action of stopping does not pass on to any other object. Hence, all these verbs are intransitive verbs. Now let's see more examples of intransitive verb. The baby is crying for milk. Crying is verb, but crying does not pass on to any object. Milk is not the object for the verb crying because the action of crying is done on baby itself, not on milk. The sun sets in the west. Sun is setting itself. The action of setting is not passed on to any object. The flowers bloom in the spring season. Flowers are blooming themselves. The action of blooming does not pass on to spring season. The children are playing in the garden. Children are playing. There is no object for the verb playing. But the verb playing can be made into transitive verb if we add an object. Let's say the children are playing football in the garden. In that case, the verb playing will be transitive verb because it has got an object, football. Shan sings very sweetly. There is no object for the verb sings. But again, this verb also can be made into transitive verb if we add an object, song. Shan sings a song very sweetly. In that case, the verb sings will be transitive verb because the action is passing on to song. But in these sentences, all the verbs which are marked with green color are intransitive verbs because they do not have any object and the action does not pass on to any object. Now let's practice. Let's see whether you are able to identify transitive and intransitive verbs. Sharon delivered a good speech. He sits around too often. Rocky danced for 2 hours. Soumya talks a lot. The bell rang at 2 p.m. The driver stopped the train. Before identifying, let me remind you that transitive verbs have got their objects and intransitive verbs do not have their objects because the action in intransitive verb does not pass on to any object. I hope you are able to do them. Let's see the answers. Sharon delivered a good speech. Delivered is verb. It is marked with red color. Hence it is transitive verb because it has got an object, speech. Sharon delivered what? A speech. It is transitive verb. He sits around too often. There is no object for the verb sits. Hence it is intransitive verb. Rocky danced for 2 hours. Rocky is dancing herself. There is no object for the verb danced. Soumya talks a lot. Again, there is no object for the verb talks. The bell rang at 2 p.m. The bell rang itself. The action of ringing does not pass on to any object. All these verbs which are marked with green color are intransitive verbs because they do not have any object. The driver stopped the train. Here the action of stopping passes to the train. Hence it is transitive verb. I hope you got them right. Thank you and keep practicing.